was like, this is pretty. Thank you. Thank you, T. That shit would take too long, then it should be just going back. Girl, I got my edges glued. Oh, God. Man. You gotta cap yourself too, though. You do? See, I don't be doing that stuff for real. I'll be like, oh, I'm be trying to cheat. I always keep you some little braids, man. So my little African dude. I want to get some braids, but I had to do these 2 videos because, like, I did, like, they sent me a synthetic wig. I did that one. They liked this, so they sent me a draft back. And I did mama hair and some braids, and I crocheted some hair in there. Just like in the front, because I was like, okay, that's enough. And then this another wig video. They wig video is the little one you say you was bleaching the knots for, though. Okay. And this one is just another brand. If they want to pay me $150 to do a video for, but I'm like, shit. Sometimes I don't even know if I want to like advertise a little synthetic wig, but I guess we can show it and make it seem like how good. People who like can't afford it. Yeah. And if you like really show like how you like spruce up a synthetic wig, it's like. That's what I'm saying. They gonna see you. I'm gonna tag you on your page. So they gonna be like, ooh. Cap it. Smell good. Were you taking the kids to the carnival too? I'll take them. I went to the carnival yesterday. You did? Me and him went big. You don't get on rides. I said, that's stupid. What are we here for? What are we doing? Oh, we could just eat. I guess I don't want to eat. Like, this shit is pointless. Just eat some food. Yeah, we got hold the front. Her? Oh, she was alright. Huh? I said she was been okay. She just been going through some little crap. Her ass, somebody had Section 8, right? And they didn't want to lose their Section 8. They did like a little transaction with a bridge card or whatever. And they had sent the girl pictures of lied to Amber and said that she used it. But Amber went to the store that they said it was used at. And she got the video. So the girl couldn't lie no more. Told Amber, bitch, you can get out of my house. And I was like, oh my God. Getting a little bit. It's so funny. Yes. Hey.
And my girl like to sing. My girl like to sing.
Alright.
That's it.
Very cute.
And it's what it's called, LDG lights. It's set up like that.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I can go back and grab it. Cool shit. I should.
Getting work today? You working in there?
Maybe I need all the money.
Hey, it's period. Look at that. You did that so quick.
That's a wig.
Yeah.
I fuck on.
And it's glueless.
Yeah.
Did a little something. That's
Like
all we
you can
need.
slide.
Oh, we gotta take it off in one second.
You gotta sell. I'm gonna need you to get hit, boss lady. Yeah. It's like charm.
A lot of stuff I can't get because when I was with my baby daddy, he scammed every fucking body.
Oh shit.
Like I can't get Cash App. Cash App not fucking with me. They don't ever want me.
I gotta go to the store.
Not they never want me there.
My hair. We doing my hair real quick, so I'm gonna get off the car.
Oh no, I'm just cursing. Whatever you want to get. You want to get?
What else you got to do after this?
We're gonna go to the carnival later.
What time?
DJ get off around.
None of that is necessary. They wanted it just like that. They wanted me to finger comb him out a little bit. It's just finger combed.
Which one? The comb?
Seeing what both is, but she got one by her job. I'm like, whichever one better.
That's crazy. This is fast. It's all real. It feeling a little better now that we combed it out though. Maybe it might be like you said, mixed.
Yeah, mixed in there. Cause the top part real, I was able to put actual real person comb.
Really? It would have melted.
Yeah, it would have melted. That's how they do. Like I got a red one down there. The whole front is real, but the ends of it's not real at all. The ends.
So they sneaking.
Mixing the fibers.
That little box. Alright, that's good. Take it on off.
For the vile fruit dessert.
What is this? Is it? Okay, I'm gonna see what you can do with it because I don't know. It looks like it's just... in your place.
It's only 2 people that know how to do my eyebrows right because I really don't got them. So they think I don't. So I have to go home and finish myself.
They look cute.